Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 5 single row functions. This chapter is divided into 5 lessons: SQL functions, character functions, case conversion functions, character functions, manipulating functions, numeric functions, and in the last lesson, date functions. In this lesson we are going to take an overview about SQL functions. Functions are a very useful feature of SQL. They can be used to perform calculations, to modify data, to format dates and numbers for display. They can also be used to convert data types. All these kinds of features will be discussed in later lessons and later chapters. SQL functions in Oracle divided into two types. The first type is single row functions and the second type is multi-row functions. The single row functions accept inputs and returns one output per each row, while the multi-row functions or group functions accept inputs and return one result per group of rows. Group functions will be discussed in chapter 7 and single row functions will be discussed in later lessons and later chapters. Single row functions divided into 5 types. The first type is character functions, the second type numeric functions, the third type date functions, the fourth type is conversion functions, and the last type is general functions. All these type of functions will be discussed in later lessons and later chapters. So in this lesson we take an overview about SQL functions and SQL functions type. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.